Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's not Terra, Bitcoin video update. And all right, so we are looking to actually lose the triangle. We're looking to actually finally come with a decision. Today's Friday, tomorrow Saturday and Sunday, and by the look of things, we are still not looking quite good. Yesterday, green candle that we saw wasn't really that strong enough, right? You made a push to the downside, and then you actually push back up, and now you're moving back down. So this seems to me like legit maybe the final breakout to actually go to the downside. But who knows? There's a lot of drama going on, and there's a lot of stupid movement going on with Bitcoin right now that you don't even want to, you cannot even really understand what it's really trying to do. But right now, I do think maybe finally this is the end of the big range that they've been creating ever since 10 of May 2022, and it's been like a whopping 17 days you've just been coiled up in this descending triangle, right? 17 days of boring movement. No one else is taking any interest of what Bitcoin is about to do. But right now, things might spice up a little bit, and you might see the big movements that we're expecting to see to the downside, of course. And from here, guys, yesterday I talked about how descending triangles are actually continuation patterns. So you go to the downside like this, and then you make descending triangle, continuation pattern to continue to the downside. It's just like, you know, when you make an uptrend, right? And then you make some sort of a ascending triangle like this, and then you pop out of the ascending triangle, and then boom, you continue to the upside. Similarly, you go down, you make a descending, some sort of a descending triangle, and then boom, you go to the downside. So that's what it is, right? So we've talked about this one, and it's looking to pop to the downside. Now the first technical target though is, I'm going to talk about the 4-hour time frame, and the descending triangle technical target takes you from the top here to the bottom right there, and wherever you're breaking out right now, this is looking to go way more down here to 26,440 or 26,500 to be precise. So I'm actually going to leave the mark right there, so do expect this one to come to the 26,000 region. Maybe take out this wick and continue to fall to the downside, or maybe just, come down here, make a double bottom. Who knows? Make a double bottom and start to go to the upside. It's also a possible scenario. Okay, anything can go. So you just gotta be careful. But one more thing that I'm gonna talk about though is going to be a 3 black crows. So what you see is what you get, right? And what you see is a bearish pattern. So basically, there is a reason why I think this is finally the end of this descending triangle decision, because now that you've broken to the downside, you see you're putting a continuation pattern known as 3 black crows, right? From here, you might move a little bit sideways, make a bear flag, right? When you make a bear flag and it pops out of the bear flag, you might take this top to the bottom right there, and when you break it out, you're going to see this thing coming down to $28,000 or $28,100, and then you continue with the downtrend all the way down to $26,000 by Sunday. Okay, so maybe this technical target might come in on Sunday. There's still a nice good chance that you actually go back for the retest. Right now, the retest really hasn't failed. We really need to see the retest, just like we saw this one going down and passing the retest to go to the upside. By the look of things, you've actually make this candle outside. In the next 2 hours 9 minutes, you still have this candle that closes. How does this close? Does it close like this? Then that's a confirmed 3 black crows, and you're looking for more further dumps to the downside, and that's going to actually tell us that Bitcoin is finally now interested to make the most to the downside, all the way to $26,500. So it's going to be a technical target that has to be logically met out of the descending triangle, of course, unless you really don't do something like go back up again, because you still have a little bit of room until 1st of June. Okay, until 1st of June, so you have a small room to make a fake out once again and go back, right? Just the same way like you made some candlesticks right here, you made the candlesticks right here, and candlesticks right here, you went back. Okay, so here you went back, from there you went back, from here again you went back, and from here again you went to the upside. What can you do this? You can actually make another candles, and then boom, go to the upside, and this could still be a fake out. You have to be very, very cautious about this one. But to me, man, I think this is not going to be a fake out. But anyway, if it's a fake out, it's going to be a fake out. What can we say? We cannot say anything, right? By the end of the day, it's going to do whatever the hell it wants to do, and keep troubling you for the rest of your life. So that's it about this update right now. Before I close this one, let's talk about the weekly as well, because the week ends is approaching, and it's I'm just interested to see what's about to happen. Yep. So guys, to me this really seems like on a weekend, even on a weekend, we might drop down to the 26 20 $25,000 region, and that would still result in another three black crows, which means you might look for more downtrend in the next coming weeks as well. So maybe Bitcoin, just like I said yesterday, is on a holidays, enjoying holidays, trying to get itself together, make some downfall that, it's taking a rest before it actually starts to get energetic to move to the upside and make the bull run once again. So it's a play, but I'm actually waiting for the technical target, which is $20,000. I really need that $20,000, man. I really want to fill my bags a little bit. It's been a long time. I haven't been getting nice discounts, man. I really need to get back into the game of discounts from Bitcoin. And that's it for today's update, guys. Do join our Discord, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.